everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching this video. You must be wondering, what am I doing with these two identical Hubsan Zinos? Well, this video is about how I ended up with these two identical Hubsan Zinos and a review of the process I went through with Hubsan China Customer Support. You see, this Hubsan Zino is faulty, whereas this one works fine. What happened was that on 18th of May 2019, I ordered a Hubsan Zino directly from Hubsan China. And to my pleasure, within 10 days, the Hubsan Zino arrived, which I thought was pretty impressive, keeping in mind that it was coming all the way from China and had to go through Australian customs. However, my happiness was short-lived, unfortunately, because the Hubsan Zino stopped working during the initial setup process. It worked for maybe 15-20 minutes and then it froze. And that happened while I was performing the initial setup steps like pairing, horizontal calibration, GPS accuracy test and things like that. The app asked me to restart the drone and I could not restart the drone because the power button froze while the lights were still on. I had to pull out the battery to restart the drone, and then when I put the battery back in, then I could not turn it on. The power button simply stopped working. So what is a man to do when your drone dreams are smashed like that? Naturally, I sent email to Hubsan China Customer Support and logged a support case with them. And obviously, they made me go through the usual Q&A. They asked me things like, did you crash the drone? Did you try this? Did you try that? In order to explain the problem to them properly, I made a quick video with my phone. And I'm now going to show that video to you. But before I play the video, my apologies for the poor quality of the video, keeping in mind that the video was recorded at night time. So please have a look. Okay, I will try to demonstrate the problem with the drone once again. Here's the battery charger. And here's the battery. The charger is showing 3 green lights, which means that the battery is fully charged. So I'll disconnect the battery and I'll insert the battery into the drone like that, and then I'll try to turn it on. Press the button and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing happened. Try again. Press, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing happens. After seeing this video, they asked me whether I had tested the battery with a voltmeter, which I thought was an unusual question, but luckily I had a voltmeter at home. So I made another video showing me testing the battery with a voltmeter. And I'm going to play that video for you now so that you can see for yourself what I did. And before I play the video, my apologies once again for the poor quality of the video, because the video was made with phone and the recording was done at night time. Have a look. Okay, I'm going to do a voltage test with voltmeter now. As you can see, 3 solid lights, so the battery is fully charged. So I'll disconnect the battery and I'll do a measurement now. As you can see, 12.95. If I check the second one, same thing. Third one, 8.64. Fourth one, 4.32. And the last one, nothing. So you tell me if the battery is fine. It looks to me the battery is fine. And if that is the case, then there is something wrong with the drone. So drone needs to be replaced. So after watching these 2 videos, Hubsan Customer Support was convinced of my innocence and they decided to send me a replacement drone with battery. And I was really happy to hear that, and I started waiting for the drone eagerly. I was assuming that it would arrive within 10 days like my original drone, but unfortunately this time it took 26 days. They sent me the drone on 1st of June and it arrived on 26th of June. Now during this time, I sent email to Hubsan Customer Support in China twice, asking them for a tracking number, and they did not reply. And obviously this is an area where Hubsan Customer Support need to improve. All they had to do was to reply to my email and either say what the tracking number was or say to me that the tracking number was not available. Not replying to a customer's email is not very nice, and obviously they need to improve in this area. Anyway, long story short, I finally got my Hubsan Zino. I've flown Zino a few times and I'm really happy with its video quality, and I'm also happy with the way it handles. Besides, the cost of Hubsan Zino is only 1/3 of a DJI, depending upon which model you compare with. So folks, moral of the story is that if you are going to buy a Chinese drone, then you are probably better off buying it from your local reseller. That way you will save time on shipping, and you will also probably avoid any communication difficulties. That's all folks. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care.